welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley, and today we're going to be discussing heirs property, the hidden threat that's costing families their homes and their wealth. When property is passed down without the right legal protections, it can fall into legal limbo, leading to family disputes, forced sales, or even other losses due to predatory investors. Far too many families lose what should have been their legacy simply because they didn't have a plan in place. So if you want to protect your family's future, join us for this Probate Real Estate Series where we'll be breaking all of this down. Now let's get into this. Okay, so last week we talked about why every homeowner needs to at least have a will. A will is powerful. It allows you to say exactly who inherits your home instead of the courts or distant relatives making that decision for you. But here's the big question. Is a will alone enough to protect your family and your property? The truth is, a will is just one piece of the puzzle. So while it is a great first step, it doesn't always prevent legal delays, family disputes, or even forced sales. This means that without additional estate planning tools in place, your loved ones could still face long court battles, unexpected taxes, and tangled ownership. So today, let's talk about how to take estate planning beyond just a will to make passing down property simple and stress-free. So we'll start with trusts. These keep your property out of probate court, and it gives you full control to decide how and when your assets are passed down. Next, you have transfer on death deeds. These are only recognized in certain states right now, but they allow your property to automatically transfer to a named heir without going through probate court. Next, you have beneficiary designations. So for like bank accounts or life insurance policies or retirement plans, these make sure that your money goes directly to your loved ones. And last, I like to mention joint tenancy with rights of survivorship. This allows your property to pass directly to the surviving owner without going through probate court also. So as you can see, these tools aren't just extras. They really can make all the difference when it comes to avoiding confusion, family conflicts, and unnecessary delays. Now, what's the best option for you, you might be asking? Well, that really just depends on your family dynamic and your situation. That's why it's so important to speak with a professional like an estate planning attorney or financial advisor, because they can really help you customize a plan that fits your specific needs. But let's be real, because even the best estate plan won't help if your family doesn't know about it. One of the biggest challenges that many families face isn't just selecting the right tools, it's actually having the conversation. Too many families avoid talking about inheritance because it feels uncomfortable or morbid or sometimes just too complicated. But silence can lead to confusion, disagreements, and long court battles down the road. And let's be honest, not having the conversation doesn't make death any less of a reality. So next week, we'll be diving deeper into what makes legacy planning real, and that is the conversation. So I'll walk you through how to open the door gently, what to say when your family doesn't agree, and how you can start involving the next generation without it feeling overwhelming. So whether your family is close-knit or barely communicate, I'll share real strategies and even a personal story as to how I got my family to open up about the conversation. So be sure to like, follow, and subscribe, and I'll see you all next week. Subscribe to my channel to learn more about probate real estate, financial literacy, and generational wealth planning.